If you're tired of scratches, swirls, or scuffs ruining your car's shine, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best car scratch removers of 2025, all designed to make restoring your car's finish quick and easy. We compared effectiveness, ease of use, quality, and customer feedback so you don't have to. All product links are listed in the description below. Let's get started with the countdown. Number 1, Quicks Paint Scratch Remover Kit. The Quicks Paint Scratch Remover Kit is a complete all-in-one solution that makes scratch repair quick and simple. With its 2-step process, it permanently removes scratches, small marks, and scuffs, and they won't reappear over time. It's safe for all gloss paints and metallic finishes, so you don't have to worry about damaging your car's paint. The kit includes repair polish, finish polish, sandpaper, and polishing cloths, making it perfect for DIY users. Plus, Quicks offers a satisfaction guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. Number 2, Carfident Black Car Scratch Remover. If you drive a black or dark colored car, Carfident's Ultimate Black Edition is a must-have. This specially formulated scratch remover restores gloss and shine while removing swirls, light scratches, and water spots. It comes with a buffer pad, making application super easy by hand. Not only does it remove blemishes, but it also works as a paint restorer, bringing your car back to its showroom shine. Made in the USA, Carfident uses only premium chemicals with no unnecessary dyes or scents. A professional grade solution that's simple enough for anyone to use. Number 3, Magyar's Ultimate Compound Scratch and Swirl Remover. Magyar's is a trusted name in car care, and their ultimate compound doesn't disappoint. Using micro-abrasive technology, it removes oxidation, water spots, scratches, and swirls without causing further damage. It's safe for clear coats and single-stage paints and can be applied by hand or with a DA polisher. The result? A smooth, flawless, like new finish in just one step. If you want a reliable scratch remover that doubles as a paint restorer, Magyar's Ultimate Compound is a fantastic choice. Number 4, Stoner Car Care Ceramic Prep Wash. This one is slightly different. It's designed as a paint prep wash that helps scratches disappear while prepping your car for ceramic coating. Stoner's Ceramic Prep Wash is pH balanced, safe on all finishes, and removes waxes, sealants, and contaminants. The result is a super clean, residue-free surface that makes ceramic coatings bond better. And it's also very easy to use, just mix, wash, rinse, and dry. Proudly made in the USA, this product is all about long-lasting paint protection and prep work for that perfect finish. Number 5, Shine Armor Car Scratch Remover. Shine Armor's Scratch and Swirl Remover is a fast and effective solution for fixing light scratches, swirls, oxidation, and water spots. Using the included buffer pad and special rubbing compound, you can restore gloss and shine without much effort. It's safe for all paint types and colors, clear coat, single stage, or multi-stage, making it a versatile scratch remover. Plus, it uses premium chemicals with no fillers or dyes, so you're only getting the best for your car. If you want a revolutionary product that gives fast results, Shine Armor is a great pick. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best car scratch removers of 2025. Whether you want an all-in-one kit like Quicks, a dark paint specialist like Carfident, or a pro-grade solution like Magyar's, there's an option here for every car owner. All the product links are listed in the description below, so make sure to check them out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to keeping your car looking flawless in 2025.